Hey y'all, it's Ariel here. So I'm back with another video. I'm showing you how to make human hair crochet micro twist. So I'm using the Family Locks um, loose afro hair. This is in 14 inches. I bought 5 packs to do the install. I only used about 4.5, but right now what I'm doing is I am going to soak the hair in some conditioner. I left the hair in the net, like the braiding hair. The afro hair comes in a net, so I left it in the net to keep the hair together because it is loose hair. So you want to always soak this hair just to get off any residue. I just have in conditioner and water, and I'm using hot water, and I'm putting a little conditioner on my hands and just kind of rubbing it in. And yeah, I'm just gonna soak and rinse the hair just to get rid of anything that might still be on it. Also, I bought this hair on sale, so 5 packs is like $70. I'll have the link to this hair in the description box. But yeah, I think 5 packs is like 60 or 70 for 14 inch. So I'll definitely leave that link below. So yeah, I'm just rinsing. Enjoy. Also, guys, make sure you check out my Shopify. I sell synthetic micro twist crochets. So check me out on Shopify at Aries Twist at myshopify.com. I sell internationally on Etsy as well. So while the hair is still wet, I'm going to go ahead and make the twist. This just helps with stretching the hair out, keeping it wet. So as you see, I have tied some yarn to a table. You can use the table or chair. I'm separating a small piece of hair from the bundle, and what you're going to see me doing is I'm pulling on the ends and moving it to the middle, just to make sure that the hair is sturdy in the middle, because this hair is loose, so if you're not careful, it sheds a lot. So you want to pull and make sure that it's tight in the middle. So I'm going to loop it around the string, and I'm just going to start twisting left over right, and I really don't twist all the way down to the end. I leave the ends a little bit curly because that's the look I'm going for. I'm going for like micro lock type of twist. So yeah, and you're just going to see me continuing to twist. Also, please, if you are enjoying this video, make sure that you like and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys get me to 300 subscribers. I'm trying to grow my channel. So please, if you like these DIY videos and you want to see more, please, like I said, subscribe and leave a comment. It really motivates me to keep going. So I do about 50 to 60 twists on each piece of yarn. And like I said, there were 5 packs of hair, so I ended up making about 300 twists, and I still have hair left over. I still have like a half a pack left over, so I made 300 micro crochet twists, and I'm going to install these on my mother. So yeah, 5 packs is plenty. I used about 4.5. So here I'm just cutting off the ends of the yarn. Make sure you subscribe. Cutting off the ends of the yarn, and I'm tying it. So to stretch it some more, and just rinse off the hair, I'm going to rinse these off in very hot water, the hottest water you can get. I'm going to rinse them off, and this will stretch the hair, make it look a little bit longer, and just rinse off any residue. After I rinse it off, I put foam on it, and it's ready to install. You can let it dry or put it in wet. It's ready to install. Now, I'm sorry, y'all, I didn't get any videos of me installing the hair, but I just crocheted it in like normal crochet. That's all I did. Normal crochet method. Braided the hair down normally and just crocheted it in. It was easy to install. It took me about 2 hours from braiding and installing it. So here is the finished result in better light. I'm just showing you guys. This right here is the 3 bundles of 50, I believe. So I ended up making 3 more bundles for a full head. So I had a total of 6 bundles of 50 to 60 pieces. I really think it was 50 or 60. I'm not sure. But this is the end result of my mom. She's so pretty, but she didn't want me to show her face. But it's very natural, very cute, very demure. But I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.